Hey everyone, welcome back to Rohana Reviews. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and reviews. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an autoresponder in Getresponse step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Getresponse account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial using the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Create Autoresponder and this will take you to the Autoresponder management page. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your autoresponder. Choose something that helps you remember what this sequence is for. Now, let's configure the settings. First, select the list you want this autoresponder to be associated with. Then, choose the day and time you want the message to be sent. For example, you might want to send the first email immediately after someone subscribes, and then the following emails on subsequent days. Okay, now, the next thing is from email address and reply to email address. This is set up as default the ones that we have added. Then, next add a compelling subject line to grab your subscribers' attention. Then, design and content. We have to create our autoresponder email, so click on Design Message and let's now choose one of these templates. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. Customize the email with your content, images, and links. Make sure your message is clear and engaging. And then also send a test email to your own email address once you've finished. Now, click on Next on the top right. Okay, so let's finish our message. Click Save and Publish. After designing your email, you'll need to set up the autoresponder schedule. Decide when this email should be sent in relation to the subscriber's sign-up date. You can add multiple emails to your sequence by repeating this process. Once you're happy with your sequence, it's time to activate your autoresponder. Simply switch the toggle to on and your autoresponder will start sending emails based on the schedule you've set. And there you have it. That's how you set up an autoresponder in Getresponse. It's a powerful tool to keep your audience engaged and automate your email marketing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.